This is the largest iPhone case unboxings I've ever done. At the time I'm recording this video, iPhone 12 is not even out yet, but here I have 74 iPhone 12 cases. I'm going to break this video into two parts. I have cases from two different companies. The intro for both videos gonna look exactly the same. These cases obviously are sent to me for free. These are sponsored videos, and I'm planning to do a giveaway, so watch for the instructions so you know how you can win one if you're interested in getting one of these cases. And before we get too far into the video, my name is Sean. I run this tech channel, so if you like tech videos like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. Making these YouTube videos, regardless of how simple they look, I promise you it's a lot of work behind the scene, from planning, setup, video shoot, editing, and upload. So if you enjoy videos like this and you do want to support me so I can continue to make more tech videos like this, before you forget, please go ahead, hit that like button. I'll wait. All right, appreciate it. Now let's get to it. There's gonna be a secret code embedded into the video. So step one is figure out, see what the code is. And then you need to go to my Instagram account and send me a direct message with what the code is. Once you've done that, you need to drop a comment down below. Let me know that you have sent a DM to me and which case you want to win, which size and which color and which model. Couple more things. Number one, I can only ship in the US. And number two, when you win one, if I'm going to ship 74 cases and pay for shipping out of my pocket, that's gonna be a little bit challenging since I'm running a very small channel here. So just know this, when you win one, I may let you know, depending on where you are, to assist with the shipping so I can actually send this case to you for free. Again, this video is divided into two different videos. This is the first one, and it is sponsored by Supcase. If I say that right, S-U-P-C-A-S-E. So we have 4 different kinds, 3 different sizes, and each of them come in different colors, and that's why I got so many of them. All right, so this is my mock iPhone. This is the, what was it, 6.1? So this is the Vault series. The UB Vault is a TPU snap-on case with a built-in credit card holder, able to hold up to 2 cards. Overall, it has a soft shell. It's a little bit flexible. Back here, this is your credit card holder. Like I said, this is a dummy unit, so it's difficult to really gauge the actual fit and finish. But definitely around the sides, you see a good amount of protection. This is their Vault series. This is Style series. And Style is, it says 15-foot drop test certified by MET Labs. The UB Style is a snap-on bumper case for the pure minimalist that still likes the rugged protection Supcase is known for, featuring a TPU bumper and a scratch-resistant polycarbonate clear backing. This is a clear, soft case that you have with a good amount of rugged protection in the corners. This reminds me a little bit of Spigen cases. They kind of have the similar look and feel to it. Like I said, the only thing it's difficult for me to judge is how much protection you get around the screen because the actual phone is not out yet. This is Style also in color green. So we can go through some of these a little bit faster. So again, you have the clear backing. This is the Style series with the bumper and the trim around the camera in color green, like that. This is Style series in black. So it looks like Style series gives you this clear case and only the bumper and trim around the camera housing is gonna be colored. So we've looked at clear, black, and green so far. This is Style in purple. And this is Style series in red. There we go. Same thing, two-tone red, very subtle change. So very minimalist, very rugged. This is Pro Series. This is the winner of CNET's annual drop test with the highest total feet. The UB Pro is a full body case with a built-in screen protector, port plugs to keep out dust, dirt, and moisture, and a free belt clip holster, which is included, all for 20 bucks. So that's a note I have from the manufacturer. So let's see what we have here. This is a very beefy, definitely not minimalist case. This is the belt clip that comes with. What is this in the back? Oh, nice. It has a stand also. Did you guys see that? Huh, it's pretty cool. So this comes in red, in violet, it's kind of like a light pink, black, and blue. So this is the violet, I think they call it, or maybe pink or light purple. This is cool. All black. It's kind of like a matte finish all the way around, except these kind of like shiny trims you see here. And this is blue. It's kind of like an electric blue. It is very, very bright. So I have another unit for 5.4 inch model. So this is again the Pro Series. So I'm not gonna go through all of them, but they have the Pro Series for the 5.4 inches. That's the one we just opened up and looked at. So again, this comes in black, purple, or violet. That I'm gonna call it electric blue and electric red. These are actually pretty cool. And also a green option. Let's open up the green one. It's kind of like an army green, I guess. That's the best way I can describe it. Again, this size also comes with the same kickstand and belt clip. So this is the EXO series. It's another slim, clear case, except with an exoskeleton frame to enhance the grip on surfaces where most slim cases might slide. Make it super grippy clear case. This launch, we're also offering two options, one with a built-in screen protector and one without. So again, that's the description from manufacturer. So you have this extra trim right here. This is in red. Again, same design, different color, and aqua. There you go. Kind of like a matte blue. This is Style Series. Again, the one with the 15-foot drop test. There you go. Again, very minimalist, good amount of protection for drop test. This is again Style Series in purple. There you go. Again, just the bumper as well as the camera frame. This is Style in green. Again, just the frame and housing around the camera. This is a light green. This is Style Clear. I'm personally a fan of clear cases. This is nice. I like clear cases. Tell me that doesn't look good. It's very grippy. The buttons are clicky. And this is Style in red. There we go. We need to look at the 6.7 inches. Some of the styles may be duplicate, but I just want to open up and show a few of them. You can see the colors: red, green, purple, black, and blue. The design obviously looks exactly the same. I'm just gonna open one of them so for the sake of size, you guys can see how large it is. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You kind of get a sense for the size of the 6.7 inch and how big this case might be. This is the Vault. This is the one that has the two credit card holder. The Vault looks like only comes in one color, and that's black. So Style, again, just a reminder, That's the simple one. This is the clear one. Exoskeleton, because of the extra layer that they have in the back to provide a little bit more grip when you put it on slippery surfaces. So this was all the 4 models from Subcase: Pro, Exo, Vault, and Style. And my favorite cases out of all of them, I like the Style Clear and I like the Vault. So those are my 2 favorite ones. So one is black with the credit card holder and one is all clear case. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this was a 2-part video, so depending on which one you have watched, I will put the link to the other video so you can watch the rest of the cases unboxing. I have affiliated link down in the description below. I'm not sure if these cases are actually available for sale yet because iPhone 12 itself is not out, but if you're interested in winning one, like I said, just simply follow the instruction and I will see if I could send one to you. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.